Sit-in protests were held today, organized by relief camp residents at various locations in Imphal West, voicing their frustration and dissatisfaction over the prolonged situation following the violence that began in May last year. The protests were staged at Mandub Imphal Relief Camp Kurkul, Faying High School Relief Camp, Fumlau Kairoi High School Relief Camp, and Tairin Pokpi Primary School Relief Camp. Apunba Uunba Manipur Magidamak, President Arambam Pantoi, Kanglei Women Welfare Association President Akoijam Kiran Bala, and All Manipur Progressive Students Association President W. Bima issued a joint statement condemning both the central and the state governments for failing to address the issues faced by the residents. The protesters demanded return to their homes, rejecting fabricated houses provided by the government. They also expressed need for a leader who could unite both the hill and the valley communities and ensure justice and peace for the people of Manipur.